Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, June the 21st, 2022, the longest day of the year. Yeah, the longest day of the year. Well, longest day. A day has 24 hours. No, uh, today. The sunlight, yes, many hours of sunlight today, so it will be a brief night, yes, a brief short night. All right. um, Only one regular puzzle we have here, Sudoku Medium, but we have also an additional, and this additional, it's a little bit changed. The publisher has changed the additional with extra Sudokus. Look, Tuesday, June the 21st, 2022. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and look, 4-star Sudoku. Well, there should be a tectonic, and the tectonic is moved to this place, and they called it the cipher block, but it's a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and only 1 binary. And those puzzles are not, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. The 2 stars, sorry, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic, and a binary. Well, it seems that the killer Sudoku is taken out by the publisher, and I don't like it. I like the killer Sudokus. So publisher, please put back the killer Sudokus. All right, but first we will solve this baby. Sudoku Medium. Sudoku Medium. Number. Let me see which number it will be. 4730. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, already 3 minutes all passed. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the one in the third row, the one in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the one should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Let me mark those. All right. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So that the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. Okay, then. How about? Let me see. 2. Oh, We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between the middle column, the second column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. It's the 7. So we have a 7 here. The 8 and the 9 is missing. So 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. Alright. Then. Yeah. Let me think. Yeah. How about 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there in the first column. So we have 2 boxes left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. We have another 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Alright. Well, I need to blow my nose. I have hay fever. Well, it's not over with the hay fever. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4. Alright. Then. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. The 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And we have a pair. The 1 and 8 in this column. The 1 and 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 1, 8 and a 1. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1. It goes there. Alright. Yeah. 8. I'm thinking. 8. Okay. Cannot continue with the 8 now. But. Okay. Alright. 3, 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 3. 9 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 and the 3. Yeah, need to wait. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Alright. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And we have a pair again, 1 and 8 in this row, 1 and 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing, 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there, the 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 9. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. Look, we have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. The 6, 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 1 box left now in the last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. 7. Then. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Okay. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row. So no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square here. We have 1 and 8. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6 now. How about now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 4. Alright. Okay, 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. Alright. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4. It goes there, 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see this number 1, number 4. 1 box left in this third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 2, number 7. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. And all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 1. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this third column. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I've talked too much in the beginning. So, well, 1 star, 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. All right. And I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.